All right, so awards show season is upon us. So I'm going to bring you a fun appetizer that you can bring to your next Oscar showing party that you go to. And it's a fun way to dress up your typical cheese and meat board with a little cute bow tie. So I'm going to give you two variations as well, one a little more traditional and one in case someone's avoiding gluten or wanting to go a little lower carb. So for that option, you're going to use an English cucumber that I started to take the wrapper off of. Fun fact, the reason these cucumbers are in a wrapper is because they haven't been dipped in wax. So you can don't have to peel them, you can just eat them. So I'm going to cut, these are going to be like the gluten-free cracker for these. So cut wedges, and you can hollow, if you don't want some of the seeds, you hollow out the seeds. And then for a more traditional, meat and cheese board, cracker type thing, I actually have toasted crostini over here. So we have gluten-free, not gluten-free, and then I just got some ricotta cheese. It's gonna be simpler, and you're just gonna do a dollop. And then you're gonna fill your cucumber cups up with some ricotta. Again, this really couldn't be easier. And then you're going to get salami and an olive, pitted olives, any kind you want. I have black ones. You're gonna cut your olive in half lengthwise, and then you're going to get the salami and kind of just crunch it all down, and then get half of your olive, and here is your little bow tie. And you're going to stick it on the cucumbers for a keto, low carb, gluten-free option, and then you're going to stick the other on the biscuit. And honestly, this is just so cute because whenever you go to a party, a lot of people bring cheese and crackers. This takes 30 seconds and it looks absolutely adorable. So enjoy, and I hope that your favorite actor, actress wins.